Today we will be testing a 15-minute trend trading strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute trend trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 134 different strategies, with 47 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're looking at a 15-minute trend trading strategy. And so the source video says that this new Google Bard AI TradingView indicator has an insane win rate. And so of course we're going to put that to the test. And so the Google Bard AI is basically like Chat GPT. And so what the source video showed was that they went to Google Bard and they typed in to Google Bard and asked it to give them a indicator that they can use that will be profitable. And so that led them to the Mega Trend Multi-Time Frame Alerts indicator. That's going to be the one you will add to screen. That's the one you can see here on screen. And so once you do that, you will go in and make sure all these settings are set to the numeric value that they are here. I can't remember off the top of my head if we changed any of these, but I do know that we did change this input right here. And so what the source video said was that you should change this to a higher time frame input, so that way it is giving you the overall trend direction on the higher time frame trend direction. And so on the 15-minute chart, I switched it to a 6-hour time frame right here. And so other than that, everything else is just on its default settings. And so, like I said, on the 6-hour time frame, you can see how it gives us this kind of arching, very long, sweeping type trend direction from the indicator itself. And so what we are looking for is going to be the establishment of a larger time frame trend direction. And so you can see here that we get this downtrend established with the red line, and then we're looking for price to pull back to this red line and then get a continuation. And so basically what we're looking for is price to pull back, or I guess I should say come back into the line. It can either pull straight back like this right here from underneath, or it can be trading above it as long as the line is still red. Then it can come back down below it and then back up above it. I know it's a little confusing, but you can see here as we are trading above the red line, we then come back down below it here, break back up above it here, but then we come down and cross back right here. Now this cross here, or the pull back into this line, it could be just the wicks or the bodies of the candles. In this case, it was the bodies. If it was touched by a wick, then that's a valid pullback as well. And so what we're looking for is when we get a cross like this, we're looking for it to cross back below this line within 5 candles. There's a 5 candle rule. And so you can see here we get the cross up, and then we get 1, 2, and 3 candles later, we get the cross back down below that red line. That's going to be our signal to then take a short position. I'm going to set our short position right there. And then what we're going to do is we are going to set the stop right at this last swing right there. And we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward to see what we get out of it. And you see that we make a really nice push pretty much straight down, getting us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a long trade. Alright, so for the long trade, it gives us a little bit of a cleaner setup so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So we have the established uptrend here with the green line. Price is trading above this line. You see that it pulls back, doesn't quite get to the line here, bounces up, then comes back again one more time right here. This time we get wicks that break down into the line right there. And again, those are going to be valid pullbacks there, and we are going to look for the first green bar to then take our long entry. And so this case, we get the green bar right there. And this time we don't need that cross because these are just wicks. We're going to set our stop just right below these wicks right here. And again, we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this one forward. And you see pretty much immediately we make this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades, 28 losing trades, putting us at a 44% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if on the winning side you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, you would have gained a total of $13,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking the $400 per losing trade. This means that you would have lost $11,200 for a total gain of $2,000 altogether. And so an okay profit. Now keep in mind that this was over about a 5-month period of time. So when you consider that, $2,000 isn't really that great of a profit over the 5-month period. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy that I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. We did 83 trades within that same period of time. We had 72 winning trades and 11 losing trades, putting us at an 86% win rate. And so on the winning side, if you were looking to gain that same $600, you would have gained $43,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $8,580 for a total gain of $34,620 during that 5-month period of time. And so significantly better profits from the Academy of Forex strategy. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you have to maintain your Patreon status as well to continue to have that access. But you can see here by the testing that it is a far more profitable and efficient indicator, like I said, by far. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly trades. And so these are the trades that we are tracking each week, the signals from these 4 Forex pairs. This is the Academy of Forex strategy that I'm referring to. And so we're tracking the signals from these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 7 trades, 7 winning trades, a 100% win rate with a 42 $100 gain. On the crypto coin though, we had 4 trades, 2 winning trades, 2 losing trades, a 50% win rate. We would have lost $320. Now in the video that I did, that I post to our Discord on the general channel, the free side, I showed how the alternative stop, you would have actually still had a profitable trades using the alternative stop with these 4 trades altogether. But to be fair, we went ahead and took the loss on these instead of using the alternative. And so altogether with these totaled, we would have gained $3,880. And add that to the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks in a row, we've been profitable with a total of $13,300. Again, so you can see how whenever I say you can make $18,000 in a month, it's not an exaggeration. You can see how this adds up very easily on just a few Forex pairs, 1 crypto coin, and taking just a few handfuls of trades each week. And so super profitable and again, very efficient. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and put this strategy on the yes list, even though I don't feel like it was a substantial amount of profit within the 5 months, but it still was profitable. So I guess to be fair, we should put it on the yes list and move on to the next video from here.